Tired of frizzy hair and curls that never last? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best curling irons on Amazon that will give you salon-worthy curls in minutes. From quick heat-up times to long-lasting results, I'll share what makes each one worth your money, plus a few honest pros and cons. Let's get curling. Number 1. Overall best pick. GHD Curve Professional Hair Curling Irons. These tools feel genuinely premium from the moment you pick them up. One major pro, the consistent heat setting, 365 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures your curls hold longer and look smoother, especially if you tend to fight frizz. Another plus, the auto sleep mode and high-quality build give you peace of mind and durability. On the downside, there's no adjustable temperature setting, which may be too hot for very fine or color-treated hair. Also, the price is significantly higher than many alternatives. If you style your hair often and want long-lasting, salon-worthy curls, this is a very worthy investment. But if you're an occasional styler or have sensitive hair, you might opt for something more flexible or affordable. Number 2. My second best pick. Bio-Ionic Long Barrel Styler. This curling iron is a standout for anyone with medium to long hair. Pros: the extra long barrel makes it easier to wrap longer sections of hair, cutting down styling time, and the Nano-Ionic MX or moisture heat technology leaves hair feeling smoother with less frizz. Two big wins. One con: it's quite pricey compared to standard curling irons, and the larger size makes it a bit cumbersome for shorter hair or tight styling spaces. Overall, if you have longer locks and want salon-quality, smooth curls and waves with less damage, this is a strong investment. But if you're short-haired or want a budget pick, you might look at slimmer, simpler options. Number 3. My third best pick. CHI Spin & Curl Curling Iron. This tool offers a helpful blend of innovation and styling ease. One major pro: the preset temperature settings tailored for fine, medium, and coarse hair take the guesswork out of heat control and help protect strands from damage. Another pro: the rotating chamber design makes curling faster and easier, especially if you struggle with traditional irons and want consistent curls or waves. On the downside, the learning curve is higher. You'll need to get used to feeding your hair into the chamber properly to avoid snags or uneven curls. Also, it runs at slightly higher minimum heat than some ultra-low temp models, so those with very delicate hair may want to test carefully. Overall, if you're committed to achieving salon-style curls and are fine investing the time to master the technique, it's a strong choice. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Upgraded Automatic Rotating Curling Iron. This wand really stands out if you have long or thicker hair. Two clear pros: the extended barrel gives you more room to wrap larger sections easily, and the 600 million ion ceramic technology helps reduce frizz and boost shine. My curls looked smoother and lasted longer. On the downside, the auto-rotating mechanism has a learning curve, so it's less intuitive compared to a traditional wand and may take a few tries to avoid tangles. Also, it's on the pricier side for a curling wand. If you're looking for salon-quality waves and are willing to invest time and money, this is a strong option. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick. Tymo Automatic Rotating Curling Wand. This wand is a top pick if you're after effortless waves and travel-friendly styling. Two big pros: the automatic rotating barrel helps create consistent curls without wrapping manually, and the 500 million ion ceramic coating delivers sleek, shiny results with less frizz. The dual voltage capability and lightweight design make it ideal for travel. On the downside, the automatic mechanism may take a few tries to master. Getting the hair positioned just right takes practice. Also, the fixed barrel size means you'll be limited if you prefer tighter spirals or super loose waves. Overall, if you want elegant curls with convenience and portability, it's a solid choice. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite curling irons? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.